Hello Englishers, this is Ma'am Raya. For today's video lesson, we will continue our lesson 1 for Media and Information Literacy, the introduction. So we have here the part 2, which is about responsible use of media and information. So nowadays, students focus on the use of different types of media, and it was already mentioned from our previous lesson. So we have the digital media, okay, and different types of digital media. So they use most of the times their cell phones, internet, we have it there, and they are very active, okay, with the use of their social media account. And for the discussion of how to our we say tips on becoming responsible users of media and information. Again, the discussion for this subject will be a combination of English and Bisaya dialect. Okay, so I'll just have to provide a little information, okay, about the 21st century learners. Okay, they are now called as the information age. Okay, they are highly dependent on technology. Okay, their lives as if it's there already in the technology. Okay, even in the way they communicate for entertainment purposes or even school-related activities. Okay, they have it there. So for responsible use of media and information is encouraged, okay, especially in education. Yeah, we teach them how to become responsible users. Though we actually know it, yeah, we do have different use of reliable internet sources, okay, in acquiring different information in those researchers or researches, okay. So I just hope that the value of media and information literacy is still there or intact, okay, despite okay, um, its usage or kanang trend na kayo siya, no? Filipinos are really famous in using social media, especially for Facebook. Okay, they use social media account to provide uh, maybe we can say they are good Samaritans, and the modern good Samaritans they do have vlog. So yeah, they use that one. Okay, I do hope that they can these vloggers can also relate or provide information, or they are actually following the responsible use or the tips, okay, of being a responsible user of media and information, okay, even to this kind of memes. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's have it here. Okay, what is a responsible use of media and information? Okay, we have those who want to increase awareness or elicit public response to issues flock to social media, where they can freely write their opinions textually or through memes. So atong mga generation, okay, bago nga generation, so padungog-dungog sa mga memes, so they share whatever memes they feel sharing or na sila'y gustong padunggan or i-post nila or even in my day. Okay, so responsible for what they post on their platforms. They have to make sure that the information they share are factual and come from reliable sources. Mo lang dyan na importante. Usahay, makalimtan. Kay baluta, pero it seems like we just rejected it. No? Inana. So, mo lang na. So, kaning mga 5 tips nga to ang i-mention karon will just be a reminder, okay, to everyone who are users of media to be responsible, okay, in using it. Okay, the first one we have is to ensure personal information safety. Okay, so do not display personal information on any social media. Read first the terms of use. Okay, are we doing this? Um, Mubasa pa ba ta? Okay, sa mga terms and use? Mag sa kanang kapaspas ba? Daghan kaayo og basahonon, so igo na lang ta mo agree, no? But always remember that it's wise to take a close look and read all the sections thoroughly. Basin mahibong na lang ka ba nga, uy, nganong kuan man ko, kanang giban man ko sa Facebook for 1 month. Unsa day unsa day na violate nako. Ngano di ay to. Okay, so mo na siguro kay na post or part sa imong post nga dili dapat or dili angay niya o para kang Facebook. So mo to na ay naka-report siguro nimo. Okay. And actually kung ang imong account ma-report dili man nila i-ban it. So they actually have to check ila pa nang i-double check pag i-verify pag nila if kinahanglan ba jud ka i-ban for what reason ana. Okay, the second tip we have here is to get permission. Always ask for the owner's approval and the people who appeared in the video or picture before posting it on social media. Aware ta na dili aware siguro no, pero again nagpa as if lang nga nakalimtan. So mananghid so dapat kay especially if ang pictures nag-involve og 18 years old and below or below 18 years old. So kinahanglan makamananghid if walay permission nila then dili sad mo insist. Okay, so tangtangon na lang or if ganahan ka pwede nimo i-blur or pwede nimo coveran og mga emojis ay lamang now para dili jud siya klaro. I think for other countries stricto kay ang ilang implementation nga dili mag-post especially sa mga bata kung wala jud kay permission kay pwede ka makiha sa ginikanan kay gigamit nimo ang ilahang mga naong para sa imuhang own benefit dili man malikayan nga inana ang idea. What for nga nag-post ka about nila even ang imong intention kay nindot nga ni-acknowledge ka kay mao na actually naasog na learn no usahay kay tungod sa kanang nindot ang posting ba kung acknowledge ka ni value ka sa mga activities sa mga bata. Okay, pero if kanang kuan jud kanang makahibalo ka or aware ka so pwede ra jud ka nga mananghid nila or pwede ba din ako i-post. Some usually if ang post kay about achievements or positive activities or nindot nga paagi so wala ra jud kay makuha nga kihaan na or di ka makihaan or kanang complain. So mo na imong especially sa videos no kanang mga batan-on karon or mga generation nga mag-bully or magsugod siya makaingon ta nga mabullying na kay mag-take of videos while having the role play during the class and then i-ID ang mga now or screenshot ba turon nga video screenshot niya ang picture sa classmate nga tsaka baron or fun ni baron tanawon para nila it was fun pero sa katong tao nga gipicturean kay he felt humiliated. Okay, so we also have to be extra sensitive with the people around us. Okay, not just for fun. We have to think a lot of times. Okay, if kinahanglan ba i-post ang usaka a picture or video. So that's why our third tip here is to think before you click. Okay, we have here think first if the information you are posting is accurate, helpful, informative, and kind. Okay. Avoid sharing rude insights on your account. Not just rude insights, but maybe rude pictures. Yes. Again, if dili nakatabang, o if dili, wala siya ka ng kuan ba, wala siya bili or that useful, nga nang i-post pa man. So again, do not post anything not nice to your account. Okay? Because imong ipangutana ba nga inappropriate man siguro no or I think people in this post or in this video feel uncomfortable. Isla ganahan ani so ako na lang ako na lang i-delete so do not wait nga i-chat pa ka sa mga tao nga pali ko delete ato nga posting mo kawo ko kauyon. Or na nga nindot ra jud nga careful ra jud ka kon sa imong mga ipang post. Okay? Okay, then fourth tip we have here is keep your password safe. Okay, keep an eye on your account. Update your password often to avoid from being hacked. Keep an eye on your account. So, kana magamit gani ka o social media account nimo sa lain nga cellphone or sa lain nga account, mahuam ba karon og cellphone or mulag in ka sa another computer or another laptop, nakalimot ka og log out, gi-close lang nimo diretso. So, posible nga ma-open to sa light tao. Nanay daghan na hitambuan na sa internet cafe. Okay, time naman nimo. So, nakalimot kag log out na close rit. So, ang ni sunod o gamit sa the same unit sa computer, mo to para nakuha ng information. So, pataka na og post ngadto or gipusudlan na og kanang mga ano gani mga laway or tsaka nga mga now or kasagaran nila ipang-post ana ka ng mga scandal or mga nude pictures. Yeah. Mo to kabuangan na imong account. So careful kaayo ka ana. Do not let others know your password. Bisan pa man imuha ng ka-love life, imuha ng uyab or madlock ka nga buwagan kay wala nimo siya tagai sa password sa imong Facebook. No? So pag sinabtanay kiingon biya to sa klase ni Ma'am Raya nga pwede ra jud nga dili mo hatag og password bisan pa man og uyab na ta. Oh, so pwede ra tagaan nimo sa password nya inig ka human kay mag-change dayon ka og password, no? Okay. So ana lang siya ka simple. So mao mo gud na ang dako man gud ang chance nga mas ma-hack ang imong account kung daghang mga tao ang nakahibaw sa imong password. So keep it to yourself lang, okay? So it's also a sort of privacy. Okay, basin na kay mga private pictures nga to niya makita na lang nila nga nag-share ba mo no og pictures sa imong uyab nga to. And by the way, yes, though na dili sa ingon nga uyab na nimo siya na karapatan ang usa ka tawo sa imuha send og pictures diri bis imong mga sexy pictures kay kita na uyab na bitaw ta. So ayaw gihapon na buhata kay again if ma-hack ang imong account wala na. Okay, murag ma-hack na pud imong tibok nga tibukin ang buhi. So mo na din ka nga depressed ka. Kay hilabtan imong cellphone. So ano lang prevent yourself from having that situation in the future. So dili na lang butang or send something even sa messenger no or kay makuha magyapon na sa Facebook. Okay, the last tip we have here to becoming a responsible user of media. So spread positivity. Share positive thoughts. Okay, share positive and uplifting posts. What you post on your social media reflects on what kind of social media user you are. If mga puro negative imong ipang-post nga to kay naglagot ka sa imong silingan yan napadungog ka so uy inani din yung mga ibang post. Ako as a teacher if na ako'y student nga gusto mas makaila pag yun ako siya what I do, I have to admit it nga ako lang i-stalk sa Facebook o unsa kasagaran nila mga ipang post. Ayay murag ini guman ani dili na ko nila ipang add o ipang lock na nilang profile. So sakto sad na nga i-lock na niyo imong profile. Dili nimo siya i-public para gamay ra jud kayo ang makakuha sa imong information. Especially personal information. So ano ra siya? Avoid negativity and hate in your account. Okay? So, you are what you post. So, avoid anything bad. Mas okay ka ng mga motivational videos o uplifting. Okay? So, who knows kay mga followers nga to nga natabangan ni mo tungod sa imong ipang post. Okay? I hope that's clear. Very simple lang kayo. I think these 5 are very common na nga to alang ating ma-remind atong kaugalingon nga gamiton ni siya every day since we are using social media every day, di ba? Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you and enjoy learning and studying, my grade 12 students. See you in my next video lesson. Bye for now.